What's up, everyone? We are here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort in Walt Disney World, and we are going to be taking a tour of a 2-bedroom suite. This is a DVC unit that sleeps 9, so let's take a look. Right here going forward is the kitchen. It's a very, very beautiful kitchen with very nice theming. It has everything you need. There's a microwave, stove, oven, full refrigerator with freezer, dishwasher, sink, coffee. There's clean plates and bowls. Lots of glasses. There's some baking ware. Of course, a toaster, silverware. Here we have the trash. Here's a few pots and pans. You can always call and ask for additional stuff if they don't have it in the room, like a blender, or if you want some more pans or something for cooking. There's a few pans down here. Some wine glasses. I think over here is empty, but it's a nice little, pretty little area. I'm not really sure what goes there. Oh, there is a list here that tells you items that should be in the room, and I think some additional items you can request. Like a blender or a mixer or a tea kettle, some bed rails if you have little kids. Looks like some recycle there. Here's a cute little table. And then here we have the living room, the nice size TV. And this actually pulls down into a bed. So you can have someone sleeping out here. Oh, that's very cute. Cute little thing they have on the background there. And then there's also another pull down bed. Probably have to move this table out of the way. We'll go ahead and do that. Show you how it pulls down. Oh, it's actually very easy to pull down. Oh, another cute little mural too. That's a nice size bed. So you can actually sleep 3 out here. And then check out these cute little Minnie and Mickey silhouettes. Those are really cute. And let's check out the master bedroom. This is a great big bed here, king size bed. Cute little desk. Oh, Mary Poppins. Little Disney themes. Cute little Disney book. Great big closet with some robes. Extra pillows and blankets. Oh, look at this bathtub. Wow. That's really nice. Little vanity sink. Beautiful shower. Wow. There's a rain shower head. Another shower head. Of course, the Disney shampoo and conditioner. Very beautiful tiling. Another sink in here. And we have laundry. There's a washer and dryer unit. Looks like it's pretty good size. And it comes with some detergent. You can always ask for more of that if you need more. We have an ironing board and iron. There's a laundry basket and a little broom. Dustpan if you need to clean up. Oh, that's just the electrical. And then let's go here to the second bedroom. Another really pretty shower. Very pretty shower. And there's a sink. And looks like there's a separation here with the toilet and, oh, another shower. Wow, so there's 3 showers. That's very nice. And then we have 2 double beds here, a little table, and another big TV. And then we have a lake view, but as you can see, it's really late right now, so we can't see our view. But there's a balcony there. And then another one off the living room. Here we have another big closet, and it's like a couple robes in there again. That's about it. It's kind of a maze. We will check out the view tomorrow in the morning, but oh my goodness, it looks like the balcony goes all the way through. It's huge. Oh wow, and there's another one. Here you can see our balcony off of the 2-bedroom unit. It is gigantic. Goes all the way down to that white wall, and there's 4 chairs out here. Here you can see the view from our balcony with some boats going by. You can see Bay Lake Tower over there, the Contemporary, Polynesian with their villas. It's a very pretty view. This is a lake view.